Okay, so these are the social and ethical issues associated with a network world. Um, oh God. Sorry. Okay, so first of all, what is a social issue? A social issue is a problem that influences a considerable number of individuals within a society. So, for example, any of those, so poverty, education, any of those are social issues because they impact considerable number of people living in a society. And an ethical issue is a problem or situation that requires a person or organization to choose between right and wrong. So they are not necessarily laws. It's more about what's right or wrong. So, for example, copyright, loss of jobs, automation. So, are you fine with firing 500 employees for, however many machines? It's not really illegal, it's just, yeah, not very ethical. So how does this relate to a networked world? So the main social and ethical issues associated with a networked world are to do with, oh God, okay, anonymity, I don't know how to say that, which is whether a person has total privacy and can or can't hide their identity. Authenticity, establishing a user's identity, so for example your age, yeah. Security, the protection of information from any type of unauthorized access. The privacy is the ability to determine whether or not personal information is shared with others. And intellectual property is just any of your ideas. And for example, copyrights and patents are put there so that people can't just take your ideas. So yeah. However, these aren't all good. Wait. Okay, it should say. Oh. Sorry. Kinda having difficulties. Okay, so obviously the network world will have effects on all of these because it will be much harder to have, security, authenticity, all of that. But usually these are seen as good things, but they can also be bad things. So for example, anonymity. So as I talked about earlier, bullying is a social issue. And if you can have total privacy and you can hide your identity, then people could just bully others online without ever getting any repercussions for it or consequences, or even just hacking, for example. If you have total anonymity, you probably already that's a bad idea. Never mind. Cut.
Finished?
Yeah.